This video is brought to you by Bridge Gap. Daily case studies, practice questions, and more, to help you switch to digital career profiles. And now, here is the case study of the day.
This is a good way to look at it, right? So you have to look at, if you look at formats, okay, what are the various formats around which you can do posts, okay? So you can, these are like the main ones, right? So you can do something around tips, okay? You can do something around advice, right? So if you look at this particular page, this brand which is in organic honey, right? So there will be okay, so this is something around tips, or this is actually advice, okay? So you can sometimes have a list put out, a list of list of the top recipes, okay? You can just have a list, okay? So the end, at the end of the day, your Facebook page, your Twitter account, it should look like a magazine, okay? There should be different kinds of things happening there, and that's why you should have different formats, okay? You can also have a quiz, okay? So again, for a quiz, you don't need to go to the extent of always like going to the extent of like a quizzing tool and using a quizzing tool. You can just put out a question here, okay? You can just put out a question and ask people that what is their take on something, and you can also have a prize, like you can give away a bottle, for example, of honey, right? So that is a so this is a these are some of the formats, okay? Then emotion, right? So that's something which can never go out of style. Basically, if you are if you're doing things which are heartwarming, which are the idea. See, one of the things, like very broadly speaking, is that if you have the ability, or if someone in your team has the ability to be humorous, right, to be funny, so that always works, okay? Being funny always works. So if you can't be funny, then okay, can you be informing, can you be useful? And of course, the thing about funny is that it may not go with all the brands, okay? Only a certain section of the brands will be okay with funny or that kind of content, okay? But most brands will be okay with heartwarming, aspirational, inspiring kind of content, especially inspiring. So if you look at this page, there will be definitely examples where the person has been has benefited, right? So because this particular brand works with farmers, so this could be an example where someone is talking about his experiences, and this is inspiring, right, for people who are uh, on the channel, right? So this is the emotion part of it. Then you come to content, okay? What is the different kinds of content? So one is format, and then one is the content. They're kind of related also to each other, okay? But within content, you can have quotes, you can have facts, okay, images. That's where canva.com comes into play, okay? And the next thing is topics, okay? So depending on your category, you can have various topics, right? So